Yeah, that's the name.
We are the original, silly little YouTube channel on your internet machine. The best you've ever seen. Hit that like button now. Subscribe for a while. Comment what you think is true. Join our members crew. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt. On the wall by the road, you'll be a part of our family. No religion talk, no politics here, no controversial junk, no fear, no outlandish stuff, no way, just good vibes every single day. Don't need no inappropriate conduct here. No time for stupidity. And always try to have a good time and make yourself happy while doing something day you can smile about tomorrow. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt.
There you go. Carry this. Bruh. Here comes the stupid guy.
Oh yeah, that's why I gave you the bottom. I still want one of these.
Why not get one? I'll get 1,000. There's no point not to.
You gonna pay for it?
I'll give him $5 and a firm handshake.
That's more than you spent on this whole trip.
Actually, buckaroo, I spent 25 cents.
25 cents.
Yeah.
How you get that?
I don't know. I dropped a quarter along the way.
Oh my God.
Yeah, stay mad, little hoe.
Little boy.
I look like him. I don't know, dude. Look at him. He's an excited little boy.
I am.
A boy. I'm gonna look at this thing.
Why wouldn't you be excited?
Well, I mean, look at this stuff though. Sweet, look, it's a black buck. Oh shoot.
Found it.
The kids are climbing on the truck.
I got this. Okay, cool.
What the piss? Yeah, alright, I'm back with a camera.
Yep. You gonna keep the camera.
Look at that red light. You see that red light bouncing off that head? Shoo! SS Impala. Good morning. Make sure I don't touch. No touch. No touch. Oh, look at that thing. Hey, look, it's a 57.
Yeah. Oh, they took the motor out. They blew it up. They also blew the spark up.
But like, look at it though. This is the type of thing I should have gone in on prom. What the world are you guys should have got this set up for me for prom. I mean, I didn't technically.
I can think of at least 5 other things.
I mean, golly, I saved. You know, I saved us a lot of money on the last prom I had. I didn't pay for it. I snuck in. Actually, not really snuck in. I talked to the officers and walked in next to them, but you know. Christina. Thanks.
Christina.
I just read that. There's turbos for sale over there. Gonna get a turbo? Holy piss. Good morning, good afternoon, and goodbye.
It's been forever since we've seen neighbor.
I know, right?
I want to do this to the Camaro.
Yeah. Especially if you're gonna put down cinder blocks. You need to invest in getting a drone.
Well, I would if I had somebody that would be willing to run it. But
I mean, I'll run it.
yeah, but I can't get you to come to the shop and run
Huh? Can't hear him.
it. You're right. We'll stop parking and just the wrong thing.
Huh? Look at that thing. Ooh.
That just looks dangerous.
I mess
I
with
like
it.
their jump start. Yeah. I like that. It looked good before we let George drive it. Twice. A lot better. This is why we don't let Justin drive the cars anymore.
Yeah, I'm a better driver.
Also, if he goes
Yeah, I help every once in a while. See, I'm gonna hold it above your head. I put that front end together on that Toyota
oh my God. You like somebody else I know.
like 6 years ago.
Yeah, that's like somebody else.
Still happened. Still did it.
Ooh, there's an old Corvette.
What? Good morning. Hot rod. Oh. Randy's gone. Randy ran away.
Good.
Look at those wheels. Gosh. What are you talking about? Electric? Oh.
Santa really had to work hard on getting it cleaned up after they run it through the mud. Oh, they run it through the mud? That Jay used to use them. Oh, I didn't know.
Oh, where are we going? We're going over here. Oh, we're filming the golf cart. Have to. Watch out. People are filming.
I think this thing's quit recording.
I think so. I don't see it lit up.
This one.
I don't see it lit up. That's what I
I
said.
have no idea. It's still showing.
I don't know. Look at that thing there.
It just looks dumb.
It does. I'm with it.
It's showing it's recording, right?
Yes. Piss who off?
The EV people. Yeah, they make it really pissed them. Oh man, I didn't know they had that.
Yeah, he just said that a second ago.
That's the 139 automotive. Oh really? Oh.
Randy didn't know that off of the heart.
I didn't know it either. So I saw the sign.
Dune buggy. Dune buggy. Yeah, I've been seeing the Sam on TikTok a lot.
Yeah. Mr. Sam.
Yeah, nobody gives him enough credit.
Twin Booses.
Huh?
Twin Hayabuses.
Oh. Good night. This thing's tiny, but
Yeah, it is. Look, 4 people.
I know.
That'd be cool.
How much is it?
You basically custom make them. You gotta have a Sea-Doo to start with.
Oh, really?
So they get like the RX TX 300,
Uh-huh.
supercharged inline 3, and they take the motor out and put it in here. The whole jet system and all that goes in here. That thing alone's like 30,000. This is not going to be building. They'll build like 2 or 3 of them in the shop.
Shoot. I can't afford it, but you know, here we are.
To be fair, you would have to have a job to afford any of it.
I can afford a
It's
few
on
things.
360, so.
Stupid whore.
Daddy, he's making fun of me. Get him.
You know what we said? We don't bully.
Hey. Daddy might not.
Oh, okay, that's a lie.
Hey, don't make that face when you read my
Look at that.
comment.
Let's follow the bald man. Oh, don't stop it. Go truck. What? Bald man in point of view. Oh, missed the truck. Oh. Heck yeah. 6 summer 2025.
Perfect.
Hot tamale. This thing fires.
Yeah, all those 3 of them do.
That's cool. I'm too poor for all that. There's a wing. This thing's cool. Look at that thing. Gosh.
That's what we got there.
That thing will.
I need that to go on Flipper.
Yeah, we need these dashes.
No, I need
too.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't need the dash where I'm going.
On the ball, man. Again. What you looking at?
I want to see what they were playing.
Look at that engine.
The budget burnout truck there.
Alright.
Well, this is the one that they did. They featured for like the budget. Built the burnout vehicle because of Jeep. I still wish we would have heard a little bit more about that.
Huh?
No, that ain't the Black Hawk.
The Black Hawk was over there.
Okay, this is just the offer.
Huh?
That's just the offer.
Around the world. Zoom, 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 zoom.
Yeah, see, look inside the bed. Look inside the bed right here. Cause that's their cut off. They got actual like covers and stuff over
This
it.
is what it's nice for.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Huh?
Unless they show you blowing up.
They're showing you something. Some of the guys that we've been behind around is on there.
Like that one.
Tire Fire Camaro. We might need just a little more power.
Yeah.
I'll take one to heck with it. I ain't gonna turn down a poster this little thing.
Oh, I didn't know what it was.
Wait, next year's gonna be the pro class.
Really?
Yeah. 25,000 from summer.
That's awesome. Ruby's a lot nicer. But this is Sam Polish.
It made me look better. It wasn't.
Nice little thing.
That's awesome.
That's what you got?
Coming is better.
Here's your type of motor. You know what it is? It's a 2JZ.
It's crazy, dog.
It's a crazy dollar.
That's crazy though. Look. Oh. Huh? Huh?
Right hand drive.
Woo. Zoom, 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 zoom. Right.
We need to get one of those sprayers. I think all of them have them. If you read that, turn me over.
Flip me over. I wonder if he wanders.
Shut up.
Or if he's lost.
Oh, look at that. You gotta look at it. Who look up there?
What?
But look at the hula cap there.
Don't a long pole go out the end of that?
I'm not sure it does.
Boy.
All goes out the end.
Can you hear the rumble? That's a photo, dumbass.
Got anything you want to say?
Yeah, can you hear the rumble? We come to Florida to see beautiful, pretty, sunny skies, and we come to a damn storm. What y'all think?
I think we brought the storm.
Hey, I'm gonna leave it though. When I leave here, it's gonna stay. We going back where it ain't gonna be raining no more.
Yeah. That way looks nice. This way.
Look at yonder. Look at yonder.
Look, I can zoom in 25 times.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.